Thanks, Spencer. Former national basketballer Simone Edwards is back imparting her knowledge on Jamaica's under-17 boys team for an upcoming international assignment. Despite her enthusiasm and the lack of corporate support, Edwards is also overcoming another challenge on her personal journey. Jerome Foster has her story.
Fortune favors the brave. It's part of the mantra that has been a driving force for former national basketball captain and WNBA star Simone Edwards, who was given the news no one wants to hear in May.
I have ovarian cancer, but cancer doesn't have me. I'm just one that, life is made up of moments, right? And you don't know how long you have to live. You can go get hit by a car. So I believe that I have to make it many positive moments as possible, and this is part of my passion. This is part of my healing. If I can spend the rest of my life giving back to these kids and helping them, and then my life goes, then I know that I live a healthy and wonderful life despite cancer.
Known as the Jamaican Hurricane during her playing days at Seattle, Edwards is powering through her latest obstacle.
Listen, whatever you feed your body and your mind, that's what it is. I can't tell myself that I'm sick. I don't wake up any day thinking I have cancer. You have to feed your body with those positive thoughts. I think I'm healthy. I don't even know if cancer is still there, because as far as I'm concerned, I don't have cancer. So I need everybody out there who have cancer or fighting something. Don't dwell on the sickness. Dwell on life itself, because the sickness will make life pass you by and then you're going to die. So that's what I'm doing.
Due to her sensitive condition, Edwards is not willing to compromise the team by traveling to the tournament, but instead is laying the groundwork.
For the young ones, it's so important for them to learn, everything now, and then go and get the exposure for the competition so they can be stronger for the next competition to come.
The 2004 WNBA champion is still mindful of the difficulties that face the local game financially, but that will not deter her.
I take a lot of pride in representing Jamaica as a player. I win a championship as a player, and I win a championship as a coach. And that's what I want to do with the youth. I mean, my experience in the WNBA and playing overseas helped a lot to strengthen the Jamaican team when I was playing for them. Plus, I played with a few strong players, too, that helped brought us to 30th in the world.
The fight of the stage 4 ovarian cancer for Edwards has been made easier on her pocket after longtime friend Jim Gallagher launched a GoFundMe account which has so far raised over $70,000 US with contributions from her Seattle Storm teammates. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.